I could spank Eminem. The reason why I say this, because Eminem, recent Eminem, is not really relatable.
Nasty C is in deep trouble for dragging Eminem's name on a live IG video. Welcome to Celebrities Worldwide YouTube channel. If you're new on this channel, please subscribe by clicking the subscription button below. Also hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload something new. Nasty C recently dragged Eminem's on Instagram. The South African rapper said Eminem's music is not relatable, and he also said he can spank Eminem. The situation got blown out of proportion as some of his fans turned their backs against him to side with the American rapper. A lot of people said Nasty C is doing all this just to boost his career, and he's not the only rapper who used Eminem's name to gain prominence. There's the likes of Snoop Dogg, Machine Gun Kelly, and many others who did the very same thing for fame. These types of stunts may prove very threatening for Nasty C's international emerging career, because nothing good will come out of them. It only paints him bad and makes him look like a chancer, as he himself admitted that he doesn't stand a chance against Slim Shady when it comes to cyphers, which left tons of people asking what was the reason for mentioning Eminem when he knows that he's not a match for him. Some fans has strictly told Nasty C to stay on his lane because the war is waging now is not for him to win. So what do y'all think? Was Nasty C taking chances? Let us know on the comment section below. We'll really appreciate to hear your thoughts. Folks, that's all for now. Please don't forget to like this video. Till next time, peace.